Hi friend, welcome to my channel Math A to Z. Our today's topic of discussion is first isomorphism theorem of a ring. Now go to the statement of this theorem. First isomorphism theorem states that let phi maps R to R. This R is ring and R dash is also a ring. So phi maps R to R dash be a onto ring homomorphism. Here onto, this is very important word, onto ring homomorphism with kernel U, that is car phi equal to U here, it is given. Then R dash is isomorphic to the quotient ring R by U, R by car phi. This is always a quotient ring, because we know that car phi equal to U is an ideal of the ring R. That is R dash is isomorphic to R by U. And this theorem is also stated alternately as every homomorphic image of a ring is isomorphic to some quotient ring of the given ring. That is, if here phi maps R to R to R dash be a ring homomorphism, here not given in the statement onto, the word onto. So if it is given that it is not onto mapping, then it is obviously not R dash, this is phi of R, and phi of R is the homomorphic image of this mapping. And in this case, if onto is not given, then the statement is phi of R is isomorphic to R by U. Okay, so every homomorphic image of a ring is isomorphic to some quotient ring of the given ring. Now we go to the proof of this theorem. Proof. Here phi maps R to R dash is onto homomorphism. Okay, so here R dash is the homomorphic image of R, because it is onto, and we know that car phi equal to U is an ideal, that is R by U is concentric. R by U is concentric. Okay, and the element of the quotient ring is as A plus U. A plus A, where A belongs to R. So we can write in the form of set as R by U equal to A plus U. We define a mapping F, another mapping F from R by U to R dash. Now if we can show this mapping F is an isomorphism, then our proof is arrived, because we try to prove R dash is isomorphic to R by U. Okay. Now to prove this mapping is an isomorphism, at first we prove the mapping is well defined. Now at the beginning we define the mapping as f of A plus U equal to phi of A, because all the element of R dash is of the form phi of A, where A belongs to R, and all the element of R by U of the form A plus U. Now we define the mapping as this for all A belongs to R. Now to show this mapping is well defined, let A plus U equal to B plus U, where A, B both belongs to R, and this gives A minus B belongs to U. And since A minus B belongs to U and U is car phi, then a phi of A minus B equal to 0 dash. This is the 0 element of R dash, right? And from the definition of phi, this is homomorphism, so we get phi of A minus phi of B equal to 0 dash. That is phi of A equal to phi of B, that is A plus that is f of A plus U equal to f of B plus U, because phi of A equal to f of A plus U. So we say that the mapping F is well defined. Now we try to prove the mapping is 1 1 and 1 2, right? To prove 1 1, we let f of A plus U equal to f of B plus U, imply phi of A equal to phi of B, and this relation gives phi of A minus phi of B equal to 0 dash, because phi A phi B are both the element of R dash. So this is the 0 element of R dash, and this implies phi of A minus B equal to 0 dash. That is A minus B belongs to car phi, that is A minus B belongs to U, imply A plus U equal to B plus U. Okay, that is we prove f of A plus U equal to f of B plus U, imply A plus U equal to B plus U for all A plus U, B plus U belongs to R by U. So F is 1 1, right? Now for any element, phi of A belongs to R dash, there exists A belongs to R because phi is 1, 2. And since A belongs to R and car phi equal to U, so we must have A plus U belongs to R by U. That is, for all phi of R belongs to R dash, there exists A plus U belongs to R by U, such that f of A plus U equal to phi of A. That is, the mapping F is obviously onto. Clear? So we arrived at the position that the mapping F is well defined. Mapping F is 1, 1. This is onto. Now our remaining work to show this function preserve two properties of homomorphism with respect to class and with respect to dot. Okay. Now to show the preservation of addition and multiplication, we start from f of A plus U plus B plus U equal to f of A plus B plus U, and from this definition we get this is equal to phi of A plus B. And since phi is homomorphism, so phi preserves the additive property. So from the definition of phi, we can write phi of A plus phi of B. That is, this equal to f of A plus U plus f of B plus U. Right? So the preservation of the additive property is proved. Now go to the multiplicative property. For the multiplicative property, we consider here f of A plus U dot B plus U, and this is equal to f AB plus U, and this define phi of AB. Okay, because the definition of f gives this. And here also phi is homomorphism, so we can write this phi of A into phi of B. That is f of A plus U into f of B plus U. Right? So the preservation of multiplicative operation proved. So we first show f is well defined, f is 1, 1, f is 1, 2. Also f satisfies two properties of ring homomorphism. That is, this mapping is homomorphism and 1, 1 onto homomorphism. That is isomorphism. So from this ring to this ring is an isomorphism here. So we can say that R by U is isomorphic to R dash, and symbolically R by U is isomorphic to R dash. And for the second statement, here we consider R by U to phi of R. And in similar manner, we prove the result as this. Okay, thank you. This is the complete of the first isomorphism theorem of ring. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.